for joining me and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I made these gorgeous candy dishes with the coasters. The coasters are made out of crystal. So I wanted to make sure that this had a very rich, elegant look about it. Also, I wanted it to look like something you could purchase from the store. They came out absolutely beautiful, and I'm just going to get straight into showing you how I made them. So I'm going to use 2 mirrors from the Dollar Tree, 1 round and 1 square. So I'm just going to turn the mirrors over, and I'm going to peel off that label that's in the back. So right now I'm using a piece of a foam board from the Dollar Tree, or I'm just going to trace the shapes of the mirrors onto the foam board. So I'm going to use my utility knife, and I'm just going to cut them out. Whatever my utility knife didn't cut through, I will be using my scissors. Here I'm just perfecting the circle, making sure it's exactly the same size as the mirror. Next, I'm going to glue the mirrors onto the foam board. Right now, I'm just applying a little bit of hot glue in between the spaces of the mirror and the foam board so that there won't be any gaps. And again, I'm just trimming around the edge, just cutting off any excess. Next, I've already pre-cut out my bling that I'm going to use around the perimeter of the mirrors. This is that diamond-like bling that I showed you guys in a previous video. It's self-adhesive and it sticks to just about anything. I'm using my silicone fingers today because the bling adhesive is very strong and it will stick to my natural skin. And so yeah, and it doesn't stick to the silicone, so you know, it worked out really well. This is so gorgeous, guys, with that diamond-like bling around the sides. It already looks beautiful. So here are some crystals. This is real glass crystals, real chandelier crystals I'm going to be using. I'm just going to apply them to the outside, along the outside of the mirror. Right along the edge, that's where I'm going to apply them. So to adhere them, I'm going to use the Gorilla Epoxy adhesive. And I'm just squeezing that into a container, and I'm going to blend it very, very well. This epoxy was very easy to work with, and I think I will be using this again in other projects. And so using that long stick, this is a stick that I got from Sally's. I think you use it for your nails. I'm going to use that to apply the glue to the mirror. What I love about using this epoxy, guys, is you can adjust your crystals or your work. It doesn't set right away. It's going to take a few hours to set, so it was very easy. So if I found that like my crystals looked crooked, I could easily adjust it. All I needed is a small dab of the epoxy, and I just put the crystals on top. So you don't need a lot to work with, just enough just to make the crystals adhere to the mirror. Those crystals look absolutely beautiful on top of the mirror, and that diamond bling looks so beautiful around it. So here are two candy dishes that I picked up from my Savers store. I picked up the both of them for $1. So I'm just going to take that bling and I'm going to wrap it around the candy dish. So I'm always trying to look for great deals everywhere I go. I like to shop in thrift stores. I like to shop at the Dollar Tree, as you know, and I try to look for deals. Every time I want to work with glass or crystal, I try to go to a thrift store or to Savers. They usually have something there that I could use. Trim off the excess, and now I'm going to hot glue this diamond-like embellishment right on top of that bling. It already looks absolutely gorgeous. Came out nice. That's the round one. I know I showed you me working on the square one, but I did the round one earlier just to save time. So now I'm going to use these acrylic diamond shaped fillers. I'm going to fill up this dish. Now you could use candy in the dish or you could use something else. I'm using these fillers because I want to make this into a temporary candle holder. And these acrylic fillers, they sparkle on their own. They're very clear. They actually look like glass, but they're made of plastic. And that's what that looks like. So I'm going to use these two tea light candles that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is with the lights out in the room, and that looks so beautiful, guys. I absolutely love the way this looks. And this is a shot that I took in the evening. It looks beautiful. That crystal absolutely just sparkling. I love the way this came out, guys. And that crystal on top of the mirror is stunning. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video.